Hi friends, welcome to Ratan IT. So my name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing HTML videos, right? HTML tutorial. Yeah, I think last class we done with the HTML introduction part, right? I'm repeating that HTML introduction part one more time. Just you can check the 6 points. Tell me guys, what is HTML? HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. It's a markup language, contains the tags. There is no coding part, which is given by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, right? Yeah. And second point, HTML is used to create websites. If you want to see your career as a professional web designer, you can go for this HTML. And HTML is used to create the static web pages. The static web pages means the web pages which is not responding. And to make that static web pages to the dynamic web pages, it means the buttons is responding, right? We can go for the JavaScript. To make the website is what web pages are very stylish format, you're going for the CSS concept. And once if you're good at HTML guys, so that you can learn the JavaScript and React, Angular, whatever it may be, but the starting point is the HTML, right? Yeah. And HTML is a normal text file. We need to save the extension is .html. HTML files are executed by browser. So who will execute in the HTML files guys? Browser execute the HTML files. And HTML file is maintained by the word W3C. W3C means WWWC, Worldwide Codism, right? Yeah. Okay, today class day 2, we go for HTML structure of the HTML file. Guys, you go for what? Okay, structure of the HTML file, right? Yeah. Guys, mainly first of all you should know the how to write HTML file and what is the structure of the HTML file we have, right? Exactly. Coming to the structure of the HTML file guys, the first one is we have the HTML, okay, doc type is there. Because even so we have the HTML to write the HTML code we have the editors. What the editors means, we have the notepad editor. So editors, okay, editors to write the code. Because general editor means what, we have the notepad editor, but don't write the code using notepad editor guys. And we have the notepad++ editor is there. Notepad++ is okay, but I am not using notepad++ also. And we have the one good editor like edit plus editor guys. We have the edit plus. I'm using generally edit plus editor even to write the Java code and HTML code, right? Exactly. Yes, next one is the Sublime text editor is there. Okay, these are the editors to write the code. After the editor, we will go for the IDs also. We have the Dreamweaver, VSE. Those are the IDs are there. I'll tell you later. But editors are what? Notepad to write the code. Just Notepad, Notepad++, Edit Plus, and Sublime Text. Yes, in this video, I'm going for the Edit Plus software guys. In my system, Edit Plus is already available. So this is the symbol of the Edit Plus guys. The symbol of Edit Plus. If you want Edit Plus, just you can do one thing. Go for directly editplus.com website. Directly go for the editplus.com. Just you can type editplus.com. In editplus.com, click on this download option. In the download option, you can go for the download Edit Plus 5.7. Once if you click on the download Edit Plus 5.7, which is downloaded, yes, it's very small file. You can download this file, and initialization means we know, right? Click on next, finish. Guys, I hope you are the software developer. Initialization means what? Next, finish, right? Exactly. I'm repeating one more time. So you can just open the browser. Just you can type the editplus.com. Directly editplus.com. Editplus.com, Edit Plus website is open. Click on the download. Once if you click on the download Edit Plus 5.7, right? Click on this website guys. Click on this link. Automatic download will start, right? Good. Guys, once the click on the next, finish, initialization is done. Once initialization is done, this is the book symbol you will get. Guys, it is asking like trial version guys. Just click on the trial version. Click on I agree. So that 30 days trial version is activated. Yes, click on trial. It is asking like registration key and trial. Click on the trial and click on what click on what I agree, right? Then file is opened. Okay, this is Edit Plus symbol you'll get. Open this Edit Plus. Initial on blank screen will be open, right? This is a blank screen. Guys, go for the file menu. Click on the new. Let me go for the normal text HTML CCPP Perl Java. Guys, if you click on the Java, you'll get the Java first application. So Java class test main method like this. But you want Java na HTML. This is HTML tutorial, right? HTML tutorial means we need to select the HTML page. This is HTML page guys. This is HTML page. In this HTML page, the first one is the doc type is there. Document type definition. So doc type is there. Yes, the doc type, the first one you need to understand that the doc type. What the doc type means, document type, which is nothing but representing the version of the HTML file. Guys, version of what? HTML, right? This is a version of HTML, guys. After the version of the HTML, whatever the code in HTML, guys, you should write the code inside the root tag. The root tag of HTML is HTML. The root tag of HTML is what? HTML, right? And whatever the code you written in between the HTML tag, this is the code representing like web page. Guys, the text written between like HTML opening and HTML closing, this is called web page. Okay, this is like web page, or just this is like version of the file. This is like version, right? Guys, the data, tell me guys, the text okay taken, so between tell me the text taken between the opening HTML and like you can take the dot closing HTML. This is called what, guys? Web page. Guys, this is called what? Web page, right? Exactly. Guys, under this web page we have the two things. One is like a body tag is there, fine. So body tag means what? Whatever the data. Guys, one more point, see, in HTML when you write the code, every HTML tag, I told you, right, HTML is hypertext markup language. Every HTML tag should have the ending tag. Yes, every element in HTML, so having the starting tag, okay, having the starting tag. A starting tag means directly can write the angular brace. And if you take the ending tag, okay, ending tag should be like which is starts with the slash. Yes, every element in HTML, generally we can call it, this is element, HTML, body is element, which is starting tag should be like this. Ending tag should be starts with what? A slash. Ending tag, tell me, ending tag starts with what? A slash, right? Exactly. Yes, you got the point. That's what starting tag should be like directly can write, but ending tag should be starts with what? A slash, right? Start with what? Slash. Good. Okay, structure of the HTML, the first one is like doc type, which is representing the version, and second one is a HTML. Guys, first one is the, we need to understand this one. First one is a doc type representing the version of the file. Sir, but here you don't have any version, sir. Okay, fine. By default doc type, this is representing the HTML5 version, guys. Representing what? HTML5. That's a doc type. And second point, the text taken between the HTML opening and HTML closing is there, right? That is called web page. This is called what? Web page, right? Exactly. And the third point is the text taken between the body tag, guys. The text taken, what you can say, between the okay, what you can say here, body opening, and we can write the body opening and what? Body closing, guys. Opening means what? Directly can write the body. Closing means what? Which is starts with a slash body. So the data which is written in the body tag, that is visible in the page content, guys. Okay, this is like visible page content. So whatever the code you written inside the body tag, that tag data only we can see in the page. Guys, visible page content, right? Visible page content or information, right? Visual page information, guys. So you got the point. So when you see the HTML tag, you should gather clarity that okay, this is the doc type representing the version. This is a HTML language is like EN means English. This is the root tag. So this is the code. This is called web page. Under this web page, this is the body is there. This is the body means what? Whatever the code you written inside the body, that can be visible, right? That can be visible. Sir, what about this header tag, sir? Coming to the header tag, guys. Header tag is not for the data, guys. Just you can close the body first. Yeah, guys, every opening should have the closing tag, guys. I don't repeat that point like multiple times. Yeah, every opening should have the closing, and opening tag you can write directly. Closing tag should start with what? Slash. Are you clear, right? Yeah. And HTML contains the tag is what? Header tag. Header tag is header tag is just giving metadata information. Yes, header tag is giving what? Metadata information. So metadata information, guys. So the data which is there in the header tag, which is not visible in the web page. which is not visible in the web page, right? Exactly. See guys, title is there now. Is the title is visible in the web page, or just it is a title metadata? It's a metadata. So generator, char set, and even here you are writing like script tag, right? Script tag, otherwise you are writing the link tag. So these all the tags will be like these all the whatever the data you written inside the header tag, that is just giving what metadata information, right? Guys, this is giving what metadata information, right? We have to give the bootstrap links and Java. We are giving the bootstrap links and JavaScript links. These all, right? Okay, these all are like these all are like visible in the web page, or just giving the information, metadata information. Just these all are giving what metadata information, right? Exactly. That's what guys, header tag, whatever the data you written, just it is giving the metadata information. It's not visible in the web page, right? Exactly. So the text taken between the, tell me guys, the text taken, so what we can say between the text taken between the what HTML, sorry, what tag guys, header tag, right? Head opening is there, head closing is there. Okay, sorry, clear now? Head closing is there, right? Okay, this is giving information metadata, giving the metadata, not displayed in web page, right? Not displayed in web page, right? Exactly. Because I think you got the clarity, right? Okay, these are the basic structure of the HTML, guys. That's it. Slowly we need to think. Every HTML tag contains should start some starting tag and ending tag. And starting tag should be like this, angular brace. Ending tag should be, can start with what, slash. The structure of the HTML, the first one is what, doc type representing the version. So by default this is representing HTML5, and the text written between the HTML opening and HTML closing, that is called web page information, web page. The web page contains the two main elements, one is a body element, one is a head element. Body element is representing what, whatever the data you read in the body element, that can be displayed in web page, right? That is visible page content, right? Whatever the data we read in the HTML header tag is there, header tag, that is not visible in the web page, just it is giving the information, application information, right? Metadata information. You got the point? Yeah, these are the 4 points, guys. This is the basic structure of the HTML. Yes, you got the point, right? And I think you downloaded editor also, right? What is the editor here? Edit plus editor. Guys, let me open edit plus editor. Let me write the one application using heading tags. Guys, what tag guys here? Heading tags, right? Guys, heading tags, just to get the heading part, guys. Heading tags, basically we have the H1 and we have the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 is there, right? H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5, H6 is there. Guys, H1 means higher level, H2 means bit low, so H3 means bit like it's like a smaller. So it reduces the what you can say guys, size, right? Yeah, H1 is a bigger one, H3 is a smaller, H3 is a smaller, and H5 is a smaller, H6 is very smaller, right? Like heading tags, guys. That's clear, right? I think you understand the basic structure of the HTML, right? You should have the clarity about this point. I'm repeating last time. The first one is a doc type, which is representing the HTML version, and the second one is a root tag is HTML tag. The data which between the HTML opening and HTML closing, that is called web page. That web page contains the two parts, two information. One is the body. Body means what? This is called visible content in the page. Visible content in the page. So whatever the data you written inside the body tag, that data is visible. Whatever the data you written in the header tag, that is giving information, metadata information. Nothing but what's it, tell me guys? We have the title tag and a bootstrap link, font links and JavaScript links. Okay, so this all information is there in the header tag, right? Header tag contains the information, metadata information. I think you got the clarity, right? Yeah, when we do the application, you get the more clarity. Sorry, clear? Yeah, heading tags is there now. Yeah, and you install the edit plus editor, guys. Let me do the first application using edit plus. Exactly. Okay, this is my edit plus. Open edit plus. Open edit plus. Click on. All will be closed here. When you open this one, this is a Java related information. Fine. Yeah. Initially, when you open that, you will get this screen like this. Guys, you tell me you want to create HTML file. What we need to do? Go for the file menu. Click on the new. I want to go for the HTML page. Guys, by default you get the HTML page like this. Okay, no sir, can you please write everything? Yeah, this is called doc type, guys, version. This is representing what? Version, right? Even you remove this, by default it's taking HTML5 only, no problem. Okay, this is the version representation. Next one is what, guys? Web page. The root tag of HTML is what? HTML opening. This is HTML starting tag, HTML closing tag. Guys, make sure that when you have the opening tag, you should write that starting ending tag also immediately. This is HTML opening and closing. So whatever the data you written in the HTML opening and closing, this is called what? A web page, right? In this web page contains two information. One is the header tag. Guys, header tag contains what? Metadata information. Metadata information means what? As of net title. Title means what? This is first application, right? This is like what? Heading app, heading info. Okay, this is the opening and the close title, right? The closing tag is there. Okay, this is the title is visible in the web page, or just it is giving the metadata information. Actually, it is there in the browser, guys. In the browser, can you see this one, right? Edit plus iPhone download free trial is there, na? This is called title. Guys, this title is visible in what? Giving information, right? But this is the data, na? This is should be right inside the body tag. Okay, this is the title. Title is metadata. And after that, you can write the body tag, guys. Body opening, and you can write the body closing, right? Yeah, body opening and closing. Guys, inside the body, you can write the data. That data visible in the page, right? Guys, the data is what? Visible in the page. That's what here I did in the message. H1 tag, hi Ratan sir. Like that I did in the message. And close hi Ratan sir. Just you get the point, right? First one, hi Ratan sir, I am writing the message. Guys, hi Ratan sir, just you can copy. Yeah, copy like this. Guys, H1 is there, H2 is there, H3 is there, H4 is there, H5 is there, and what? H6 is there, right? Yeah, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and what? H6, right? Guys, that's it, guys. I think now clearly you understood that, okay, this is representing the version, okay, this is a root tag, opening, and slash is a closing, okay, this is header tag, giving the metadata information, but this is not there in the web page, which is there in the title tag, right? And whatever the information you write inside the body tag, that visibly, that should be, tell me guys, visible in the web page, right? Exactly. I think clearly understood, right? Yeah, can you please save this code, Control S. In local disk D, directly I am saving. This is my first, right? First.html. Extension is what, guys? .html. So I written the otherwise heading.html. I written the code like this. Heading.html. Click on enter. Okay, so can you see this one, right? Heading.html, right? Exactly. Guys, go to the local disk D. In the local disk D, I can find the multiple files are there. But let me go for the heading.file, right? Yeah, this is called heading, guys. Can you see this heading, right? Let me open this heading. Once if you open this heading, just double click on that file. Guys, can you see that file, right? Hi Ratan sir, hi Ratan sir, hi Ratan sir, hi Ratan sir. Yeah, this is H1 tag. Guys, first just I'm maximizing that font. Fine, this is like a H1 tag, this is H2 tag, this is H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, and H6 tag. You got the clarity, right? That is called, that is, guys, HTML is very simple, guys. So you should have the clarity, that's it. Because any questions? I think first application is very clear for all of you, right? Structure of the HTML. Guys, first you should go for the editors, notepad, edit plus, and sublime text. Every element should in HTML should have the starting tag and ending tag. And the structure of the HTML, total we need to understand the 4 points. One is the doc type, which is a version of the HTML. This is called HTML. The text taken between the HTML, that is called web page information. And the text taken between the body means that is visibly contained in the web page, and the text between the header tag means metadata information, right? Exactly. Guys, header tag I written the code, heading tags H1, H2, H6. This is example for that. Okay, just you can write the code and save the code like heading.html. Just open that file. Can you see that output? Sir, can you please do some modifications on that? Okay, see, this is your file. So hi Ratan sir, hi students, comment, comment, tell me guys, subscribe, right? Subscribe, guys, comment, subscribe, like that I written the message. Just if you want, just for the two things, comment for all, Okay, just you can save the code, guys. Save the code. Go to the browser. Just you can refresh. Once if you refresh, hi Ratan sir, like, comment, subscribe. Guys, you got the point, right? For the last two, I didn't write the message, right? All students, please write the notes. Please write the notes. Okay, please write the notes, right? Yeah. Okay, just you can save it and come here and refresh it. Please write the notes. You are the good students. You are good students, right? You are what? Good students, right? Yeah. You are the good students, guys. You are the good students, right? Yeah. Good. Just you can refresh. Last you can see. You are good students. Is it clear? So just you can open the file. Just you can do the modification. Just you can save it. Automatically file is saved, right? Yeah. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all about this video, structure of the HTML and heading information. So all of you, please see, I'm doing this much hard work for you guys. Everyone, please like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, and please share the videos to your friends also. Thank you, guys. Bye.